Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Apple ID you want to use for iCloud storage. This ensures continuity of purchases and sync. Once done, make a local backup, either to a computer or to iTunes, so you can revert if needed. Make sure your device has the latest OS update because older versions can block features. Now open Settings and tap your name. This takes you straight into iCloud controls where you'll make the storage change. You'll now choose a plan. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and Manage Storage or iCloud Plus. From there, view iCloud Plus options and compare 50 GB, 200 GB, and 2 TB. Pick one based on your photos, backups, and shared devices. If you share with family, make sure family sharing is configured first so everyone can use the plan. After selecting, follow prompts to confirm the payment method and approve the purchase. This immediately upgrades your account and expands storage availability. Finally, enable the services that will use iCloud. Toggle photos, messages, and app data under iCloud settings so your content starts syncing. Then run iCloud backup manually by tapping Backup Now to push a fresh copy to the cloud. If syncing or backup fails, try signing out and back into your Apple ID, verify the payment method, and confirm you have enough local free space to create a backup. If problems persist, restart the device and retry the backup to force a clean sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.